here's how you can make carbon fiber in Icarus. Now the first things that you are going to need over here on the tech tree, you're going to have to make the mortar and pestle right here. On the tree of the mortar and pestle, you're going to need the carbon paste. If you are wondering how you can make the carbon paste, we have a video of it on the channel, so you might want to check it out. Now once you have carbon paste inside your inventory, approach the concrete furnace right here. Now it has to be a concrete furnace for you to smelt down the carbon paste into carbon fiber, as you can see here. Now I'm just going to place down carbon paste into the furnace, and it should start smelting the carbon paste into carbon fiber, as you can see here. It's going to take only a few minutes, and as you can see, the carbon fiber here got increased by one and then another one. Now if you are wondering how to make the concrete furnace right here, over on tier 3, you can find it on the far left side, over right here. And that's pretty much about it on how to make carbon fiber in Icarus.